Treasurer is calling for calm as the tit-for-tat trade war between China and the US continues to escalate. US stocks have bounced back this morning after their worst trading day of the year. The Dow Jones ended the day more than 300 points up.
China has stabilised its currency after allowing it to depreciate against the dollar in response to Donald Trump's further tariffs. Josh Frydenberg was on Sky News this morning and he's urging both sides to return to the negotiating table.
Well, let's not overreact, but at the same time, let's recognise that this is an unwanted escalation in the trade tension between China and the United States. This escalation is what many thought would happen, but also what many hoped would not happen. But now that it has happened, Australia is calling on cool heads to prevail and obviously for the parties to negotiate a resolution of this dispute.
Look, cool heads should prevail, and certainly Australia has an interest in ensuring that there is rules-based trading systems, and that includes between the United States and China. The danger for Australia here is that escalation in the conflict over trade between the US and China sees us as collateral damage.
The US has labelled China as a currency manipulator, but Beijing hit back, saying it deeply regretted the move and accused Washington of undermining international rules. Treasurer Frydenberg says Australia isn't picking sides.
The US has domestic legislation where they've acted under its domestic legislation for the first time since 1994. But again, it's not for Australia to say which side is right or which side is wrong. What Australia wants is for the international rules-based framework to be maintained.